Python foreach equivalent. I am diving into Python and I have a question about foreach iteration. I am new to Python and I have some experience in C#. So I am wondering if there is some equivalent function in Python for iteration all over all items in my collection, for example. Or something like this.
Sure. A for loop.
Like this. In fact, Python only has foreach style for loops.
It's also interesting to observe this. To iterate over the indices of a sequence, you can combine range and len as follows. Output. Edit number 1, alternate way. When looping through a sequence, the position index and corresponding value can be retrieved at the same time using the enumerate function. Output.
For an updated answer, you can build a foreach function in Python easily. You could also adapt this to map, reduce, filter, and any other array functions from other languages or precedents you'd want to bring over. For loops are fast enough, but the boilerplate is longer than foreach or the other functions. You could also extend list to have these functions with a local pointer to a class, so you could call them directly on lists as well.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.